Hazrat Abdullah bin Zayd and Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reported from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, hadn't there been Hajira, I would have been a member of Ansar. And Hazrat Abu Moosa reports from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I saw in vision to migrate from Makkah Mukarramah to a land which repleted with the date palms. I thought it to be Yamama or Hajar, but it was Medina, former Yasrib. Hazrat Amash says that he heard Hazrat Abu Wail radiyallahu anhu say that they went to inquire after Hazrat Habbab, and he said, we migrated along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam for Allah's pleasure. So some of us are those who have departed this world and they did not get any worldly reward like Hazrat Moosa bin Umair, who was martyred in the battle of Uhud and left only a blanket behind him. When we covered his head with that, his feet got exposed, and when we covered his feet, his head got exposed. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed orders to cover his head and put ithkhir, grass, on his feet. Some of us are those whose fruit has got ripe and they are picking it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3897.